Yo, what is up, guys? Monday morning. To be honest, did not expect to find a decent trade setup today at all, but we did manage to find the trade today. So yeah, I took it without hesitation. Obviously, called it out in the VIP room right here. I also called out a US 30 long, but I didn't get filled. Let me show you guys. Also called out these US 30 longs. Look at how perfectly this played out, guys. Oh my god. US 30, and I didn't get filled by like 2 ticks, 2 points. But yeah, I also saw these NQ shorts. So yeah, after I saw that US 30 was gonna run without me, I said everyone to remove the US 30 limit and focus on NQ. And yeah, I got the NQ fill. Right now I'm just waiting for it to play out. Let's see if it hits TP or SL, bro. Yo, what is up, guys? Today we took a loss. To be honest, I'm pretty happy with this trade, like, because this was an A+ setup for me. H1 confirmed lower. Not gonna lie, no one would have anticipated such a bullish move on NQ just out of nowhere. I expected us to at least come to this 5 a.m. London low, so we could at least come back to the external liquidity, but we didn't even reach there. So yeah, and we just reversed out of nowhere. We have a huge H1 bullish candle. It just closed. And yeah, to be honest, it was really just a probabilistic loss. In my opinion, any other day, I would take this trade. If I saw this trade tomorrow, I would take it again. It was just a chop fest today. As you could see, though, my US 30 long, I didn't get filled by 2 points and it hit TP. Yeah, too bad, to be honest. This game is a brutal game. This trading game is brutal. But as you can see, SL hit chop fest today, and NQ part of the game was an A+ setup. Yeah, my trading partner also took the same trade, but his trade hit BE. My trade hit SL because mine did not run 1-to-1. But yeah, nothing much we could do. It's important that in these type of situations, you just manage risk. You stay calm. You don't go over trading. Just hop off the charts. Right now, I'm just gonna hop off the charts, do something else, and you know, come back the next day with the same mindset and with the same discipline. What is up, guys? Currently in US 30 longs. Let's see how this plays out. It is a pretty big, or not big, but like big stop loss position, so it's more of it's gonna be one of those longer trades if it does hit TP. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. I'm pretty confident in this trade, and I called it out in the room, in the VIP room, so let's see. up, guys? NQ Demon here. As you guys just saw, I took trades on US 30. I took 2 positions on US 30, and I'm basically just gonna give you guys a recap of today. I took 2 trades. Those last 2 trades were on US 30, and I took another trade on NQ today. So I had 3 positions today. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a recap on why I took these positions. And going into today, to be honest, NQ had the clearest shorts I have seen in a really long time. I took one. I don't know if I told you guys, but I took 1 loss on NQ and basically a win on US 30. The last position hit break even. So going into the recap of today, I am filming this on the day that I'm uploading this. I usually film this the day before, but I couldn't film this yesterday, so that's why you see this right here, because this was today's trade that I'm also going to be making a recap on after I record this one. Anyways, going into so yesterday's recap, you could say, for me it's yesterday right now. We had clear bearishness on NQ and bearish order flow. Market structure was just really bearish, and we were respecting this H1 bearish imbalance, and we disrespected this H1 bullish imbalance, creating a bearish BPR. And so I was just looking for a retracement into this bearish BPR going into the open, and then a reaction to the downside and an order block to get validated for me to enter. And that's exactly what happened. I entered, and yeah, Nasdaq really took me by surprise this day because I took a loss. It was a really tough loss, or not a tough loss, because I don't know, it was just a weird loss because it was an A+ setup, you know what I mean? But it was just a pure probabilistic loss. And yeah, so also let me mention the trade I missed. These are the US 30 trades, but the initial US 30 trade I missed was this trade right here, bro. I didn't get filled by 2 points. I called this out. I set the limit and everything in the VIP room. I called this out, and I didn't get filled by 2 points. This game is a cruel game, bro. Cruel game. This trading game, you really have to have a lot of mental toughness, because something like that would cause someone else to go doing some devious shit and blow his account, you know what I mean? But you know, I'm just staying composed. Shit happens, you know what I mean? That just means this trade wasn't mine to catch. And yeah, I'm gonna have another trade in the future. There's always gonna be more opportunities, so yeah, I'm not gonna stress about that. And I did catch these longs after, so yeah. Anyways, this was the long, or this was the short on NQ that I just showed you guys. Oh no, this was today's short. This short is in the next video, okay? So a little bit of a spoiler for tomorrow's video, or yeah, tomorrow's video. But this short right here was today's short, and yeah, it just stop loss. It is what it is, you know what I mean? Markets, we just got a huge H1 bullish candle after that, so I was just on the complete wrong side of the markets this day. So yeah, you know what I mean? Just got to deal with it. I expected us to at least come to these London lows and maybe even this low right here, but we just didn't. So yeah, you just have to accept sometimes when you're wrong, and the markets will humble you. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say, to be honest. You just got to move on from those type of losses. So yeah, going into then going to the US 30 trades I took. Let me set the bar replay a little better. Yeah. So on US 30, I was basically looking at the H1. Guys, I frame all of my trades on the H1. Like, I frame all of my trades on the hourly time frame. If the hourly confirms lower prices, I will be looking for shorts. If the hourly confirms higher prices, I will be looking for longs. Like, it's that simple. I frame all of my trades on the hourly, and I recommend you guys do that too. It's one of my biggest tips and one of the biggest things that helped me through my trading journey and helping me become better. Anyways, so we had this bullish for value gap right here that we closed below, and so technically that's telling me lower prices. So initially I was looking for shorts on US 30, but again, the market did not present any opportunities within this leg for me to go short. I usually need an order block to get validated or something like that for me to have confirmation to go short, but the market didn't give me that. Then I was seeing that, you know, the hourly was about to close, and I saw that we were going to be closing above this bearish BPR, indicating higher prices, because we are disrespecting a bearish BPR. A bearish PDRA is getting disrespected to the upside with a close above on the hourly. That is indicating higher prices for me. And so I was then, from that moment on, looking for longs. I was looking at this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and after we saw that we disrespected this fair value gap, I entered long with my stops around here below this low or below the BPR, and yeah, just targeting to RR. This is also my order block that got validated to the bullish side, and so once we did a retrace here, I did enter another position. If you guys saw in the video, in the live trade video, I did enter another position at the retracement at the order block because I was pretty confident in the trade. And yeah, as you can see, I got a sniper entry, but sadly only this position hit TP. My initial position did not hit TP. It was like 5 on my MT5, it was like 5 points away from my TP, and yeah, it ended up reversing overnight to back to break even. And in that scenario, I can't be mad, you know what I mean? Like, I can't do anything about that. Just gotta stay disciplined, stick to my plan. And if any of you guys trying to tell me in the comments that I should have closed the trade, I don't want to hear anything, because you guys are all hindsight traders, bro. Because if this trade hit TP, you guys wouldn't tell me anything. So I don't want to hear anything from you hindsight traders. Show me proof that you can actually trade, and I'll take advice from you. Maybe even then I still won't take advice from you, because I'm sticking to my motto and I'm sticking to my plan. I'm sorry, bro. Just give me the free engagement on the comments. I don't care. But yeah, just stop. A lot of you guys think you guys can give me advice like, yeah, you should have closed this trade. I know a lot of you guys are gonna think, yeah, I should have closed this trade because whatever, buy side got taken. Guys, that's not my plan. That is not my strategy. Okay, I close my trades at a mechanical 2-to-1 risk to reward, and if that does not happen, I do not close my trades. It's that simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. You don't have to say, oh, but this. No. Okay, I have a in that area, I have a mechanical approach, and that's that. Anyways, those were the 2 trades on US30 and the 1 trade on Nasdaq for me. And yeah, did end up the day in profit, basically, just because of this one small position right here. But besides that, pretty weird day. It could have went way better, because if I took the initial US30 long, I wouldn't have taken the NQ short. So yeah, I wouldn't have taken that loss. But yeah, and I would have been up 3% for the day and would have been done. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna record now the recap of today's trade, which was a W, which was a 3% winning day on NQ with the shorts that I did call out in the VIP room. Guys, I'm calling every single one of these trades in the VIP room, like every single one. So yeah, I'm gonna be recording that one, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and take care.